say I own what is mine. When you go bigger, ubhiza usipane mine. Yazama ukuntextela ngifunda imessage and reply. Unenza isipoliso mzalwane biza abahlali ncikiswa idayi.
I say please don't double cross me. Kwavuka idemon, gcwele si on, badakopon, ungansembu blind ufike kumunga libon. Ukubantombi zifone uyazi ndimi ringtone, cause my back against the wall njenge plasma. Enxasilele thina sihlala sibuya kusasa, mandikunikilele number suyibhaza. Umthatha for granted imali kasasa. Usixelele ex yami isendim lo senayo lo info makajonge inbox. Anzanga ngomdlalo